Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
This lesson shows you how to insert a screenshot of any currently opened window directly into a Word document. You can only insert a single screenshot at a time in Word. To add multiple screenshots, simply repeat the process. To add a screenshot of an open window, click the Insert tab in the ribbon. Then click the Screenshot drop-down button in the Illustrations button group. In the Available Windows section, the windows you currently have open then appear. Note that you will not see the Word window within which you are currently working. Select the window to add to your document by clicking it. The screenshot is then inserted at the insertion mark cursor's position in the document. You can then work with the screenshot in the same way as you can any other type of image you insert into a document.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.